Did you know that Windows has a secret menu hidden in plain sight? One that can save you tons of time and make navigating your PC much faster? Most people have never even seen it, but once you know where to look, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. It's called the Power User Menu, also known as the Windows Secret Menu, and it's one of the most useful shortcuts built right into your computer. Here's how to open it. Simply right-click the Start button, or press Windows key plus X on your keyboard. Instantly, you'll see a sleek list of powerful tools and shortcuts that can handle almost anything. So what's inside this hidden gem? Let's break it down. First, you get quick access to system tools like Task Manager, Settings, Device Manager, and Disk Management. No more digging through menus or typing commands, they're all just one click away. Second, you'll find power options, network connections, and apps and features, perfect for adjusting your performance, fixing connectivity issues, or uninstalling unwanted software in seconds. And third, you get advanced options like Command Prompt, Windows Terminal, and Event Viewer. These are especially handy for troubleshooting or performing deeper system tasks. Even IT pros rely on this menu because it centralizes everything in one place. Here's a pro tip. If you're on Windows 11, you can customize this menu by replacing Command Prompt with Windows Terminal, giving you more flexibility and control. So next time you're trying to fix a problem, open Settings faster, or manage your PC like an expert, just press Windows plus X. It's quick, powerful, and it's been hiding right under your fingertips this whole time. Now you know the secret, the Windows Power User Menu. If this video helped you discover something new, hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more hidden Windows tips every week. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.